Hello everyone, I am Arnav Deshpande back with another video. And in this video we are just going to have a tutorial for the alternative for cam scanner or a PDF scanning app, ADOBEscan. So without any delay, just let us begin the video and make sure you watch the video till the end. Before moving before moving to the main part of the video, make sure you like the video, subscribe to my channel to get new updates. So let us begin the video with. First, you need to go to Google Play Store, and as usual, you must scan for ADOBEscan. Search for ADOBEscan, and you will get the results here. And then install the first result, which is created by Adobe. Till that, let us just see the reviews and ratings. Um, as it is rated as 4.7, I think it is a good app. And in its about, it is given as you can turn your device into powerful portable document scanner. Let us check the app, review it completely and see whether this is correct or not. Capture docs, books, tax receipts and more. Okay, this is one more feature of this Adobe Scan. So you can even reuse scans with OCR, that is automatic text recognition is also there in this Adobe Scan app. So you can enhance scan with Adobe scanning and editing app, that is Adobe's Acrobat app, and even you can scan anything anywhere, and it is having a feature of capturing documents, books, tax receipts and each possible thing they are claiming that. So let us maybe it is installed, so let us open it and see it. Just it will ask for the sign in prompts at the starting. You can use any account of yours to sign it, whether it may be of Google, Facebook, or if you are having an iPhone, you can sign in even with Apple. I have given the download links of this app in the description for both Android and iOS. You can directly go there and download the app from it. So I'll just sign in and meet you after that. After signing in into this app, you'll just see a pop-up here, that is Adobe Scan is welcoming you to its app. So after pressing let's go, I have three examples of scanning here, as they have claimed that it can scan books, documents and handwritings into their best manner. So let us test three of them. So let us start with the books. So I'll click here a photo, and yeah, as they are claiming it is working a bit good, and you can even auto turn off the auto capture, that is now it was being auto cropped, so now you will need to manually crop the images. And even I'll try turning on full flash and then see. And here even other options like whiteboard and form are also available. Even business scanning a business card is also available. So I'll go with document for now, later on we can see it. So once more I'll try capturing this image, and this time as you can see here, it hasn't been cropped by the app automatically. So next example that we can take is of the document. So let us just try capturing a document. Till now everything is going great. I'll just on the auto capture mode to check whether it works on this also or not. Yeah, it is perfectly fine, but for more convenience you must adjust the borders on your own. So it has a 360-degree adjusting feature, so you can adjust anywhere. And even let us take the example of this poster which I have drawn in a so this would be the example for the handwriting. So okay, it has detected the document, and now it is scanning. Yeah, here is, because there is a paper in back of it, it has not captured proper detail. So let us just try removing this all stuff from behind of it. So just I will make it steady, and now I'll try capturing it. Okay, so now it has perfectly captured the thing, and then just I'll continue with. You can even press this option. Let us see whether it recognizes the handwriting or not. No. So maybe here it is not recognizing. Just let us see on this one whether it is recognizing or not. Yes, maybe it is a document, so it may recognize it. Just let us test once. Okay, it is running all fine here. So as you can see here, it has detected all the text present in this document, and now I can even copy it and paste anywhere. So let us just move forward and see what we can do with. So here are all the properties of properties, or which I have here are all the things which I have scanned. Here are all the things which I have scanned. So I have scanned a total of 7 images, and let us see what image tools can be done. Before that, I'll just quick adjust some more things in this image because it hasn't cropped properly yet. So just I'll adjust it, and then you can, once you press crop on anything, you can just go on cropping each and every document. Okay, this is the last thing which I am going to crop. If you want to use the auto detect feature, you can use it here also, but I'll, for my convenience, I'll just adjust it on my own. So now let us just save everything, and it will take a bit of time to save the cropped images. Now let us see the other features which are available here. First of all, you can add the page or something like that directly from your mobile, and even you can reorder the things which you have scanned just like this by pressing the reorder button. Even you can crop, rotate in 90 degrees. You can just change the colors which it have scanned. I'll just put it on original color. Even you can clean up, that is, use the eraser in this Adobe scanner. So it is this is also working absolutely fine, so no worries about it. And then the next of its feature is mm, to resize into any paper size. That is, if you have this paper and if you want to adjust it in A4 size paper, or if you want to print, so just directly you can select any of this and you can print it. And directly for your instance, you can edit the file name here, so I'll just rename it as file. And don't forget saving the PDF at the end of finishing it. So this gets saved to your cloud, and it gets saved to the Adobe Scan app, your Gmail account, which by which you have logged into the app. So that was it, and this was all about Adobe Scan. Hope you like this video and have subscribed to my channel. And I request you guys to comment something in the comment section, giving me suggestions or ideas for new videos. So this was all about Adobe Scan, and goodbye.